This weekend, Hollywood actress and comedian Melissa McCarthy made a comeback to Saturday Night Live, bringing her trademark charm, humor, and holiday spirit to one of the most recognizable comedy programs on television. The live audience erupted in amusement as her opening monologue, which was full of gags about the holidays, swiftly transformed into a memorable and hilarious snowfall travesty. McCarthy, who has previously hosted Saturday Night Live, welcomed viewers with a happy holiday-themed monologue that made light of the craziness of winter, the stress of holidays, and the thrill of returning to the SNL stage. She proved once more why she is still one of the show's most adored hosts by combining clever insights with traditional physical comedy while wearing a holiday dress and exuding enthusiasm. A pre-planned snowfall effect appeared on stage halfway through the monologue. A humorous winter disaster scenario was created as massive flurry of artificial snow fell. McCarthy responded with theatrical flair in keeping with her humorous style, slipping and finally falling in a well-planned tumble. The studio crowd erupted in cheers and amusement at the stage catastrophe, and online viewers praised her daring, extravagant act on social media. The snowfall joke was well thought out visual punchline for her monologue. Commentators pointed out that McCarthy's years of experience in both film and television comedy are demonstrated by her timing and ability to convert even a planned misstep into comedic gold. Melissa McCarthy's daring comedic decisions have long defined her career. She has continuously displayed a combination of physical humor, deft timing, and passionate performances in everything from popular comedies like Bridesmaids, The Heat, and Spy, to highly praised roles in Can You Ever Forgive Me? She can interact directly with a live audience while experimenting with larger-than-life comedic moments thanks to her work on Saturday Night Live, which carries on this tradition. The holiday atmosphere of the season was also emphasized in this specific monologue. The snowfall gag wonderfully encapsulated the kind of happy, light-hearted and entertainment that Saturday Night Live is known for. Between quips about winter havoc and light-hearted, self-deprecating humor, soon after fans posted videos on social media describing them as hilarious, festive, and a reminder of why McCarthy is so beloved. McCarthy's enthusiasm and comedic timing enhanced the show, which included holiday-themed sketches and guest appearances. Her presence, which combined humor, nostalgia, and the kind of physical comedy that viewers have come to anticipate from SNL, helped set the tone for the evening, according to several commentators. Melissa McCarthy's comeback served as a reminder to viewers that she is still a dependable and engaging presence in the realm of live television comedy in a year full of new hosts and star visits. She once again demonstrated that her knack for humor is as strong as ever, whether she was delivering clever one-liners or sinking hilariously beneath a mountain of fake snow. The evening's high point was Christmas monologue and manufactured snowfall, which highlighted McCarthy's bold comedic style, her holiday joy, and her ability to command one of television's most difficult platforms with charm, energy, and flawless timing.